Hey there! In this short video, you will learn how to use Synthesia and Zapier to create and send personalized videos to your customers. But first, what is Zapier? Zapier helps you create simple integrations between more than 1,000 apps and automate workflows. Why use Zapier? Because it saves you a ton of time. You can have an integration up and running in less than 30 minutes without having to rely on your engineering team. Here are a few examples of integrations you could set up today using Zapier and Synthesia. You can greet new customers with a personalized video by setting up an integration with HubSpot, Shopify, or another similar platform. You can poke abandoned cart customers with a personalized video by setting up an integration with BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Magento, and other e-commerce platforms. Also, you can thank survey responders or job applicants with a personalized video by setting up an integration with Typeform, Workable, Greenhouse, or other similar services. How does it work? It's really not complicated. All you need are two zaps to create a fully automated workflow. Let's take a look at an example. The first zap serves as the trigger for video creation. For example, if you wish to thank a survey respondent from Typeform, the first zap triggers the creation of the video in Synthesia as soon as there is a new entry in Typeform. The second zap will be triggered once the video is created in Synthesia. As soon as the video is generated, it will automatically send a personalized thank you video to your survey respondent from your Gmail account. And that's it. There is a link in the description of this video for a more detailed, step-by-step technical guide on how to get started with Synthesia personalization using Zapier. We hope this guide has inspired you to think of ways to automate video creation and surprise your customers. Try it out for yourself.